Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Shiba price prediction and Shiba news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba Inu is. The Shiba Inu aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba Inu with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and the Alaska Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba Inu breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of Shiba have never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu. All you need to know about the next buying opportunity. The meme token has been on a steep downturn since hitting its ath in October last year. In fact, Shiba Inu (SHIB) declined between southbound parallel channels and fell below the vital liquidity range near the $0.033 zone. SHIB prices are multiplied by a factor of 1,000 from here on. In light of the past tendencies of the buyers to defend the $0.02195 $0.02013 range, SHIB bulls aimed for a retest of the 20 EMA red before reversing back into a long-term downtrend. At press time, SHIB was trading at $0.022. During this bearish phase, SHIB lost its crucial point of control, red, POC, near the $0.033 level, and also fell below its 200 EMA, yellow. To top it up, this level coincided with the 23.6% Fibonacci resistance. The bulls took charge of the $0.02 mark that they upheld for over 4 months. Consequently, the price entered a tight phase, while the bulls started building up pressure and rejecting the lower prices. Thus, it saw over 70% gains from 3 to 9 February, and broke out of the down channel, while the 23.6% level stood strong. Over the last month, SHIB formed a falling wedge, reversal pattern, on its daily chart. But, as the 20 EMA fell, it plunged below the 200 EMA, yellow. In doing so, the bears visibly had an edge. Going forward, if history does repeat itself, the bulls would be keen on maintaining the 2 cents $0.021 range intact. Thus, keeping up the recovery hopes alive towards the $0.024 level. Also, traders must closely watch the decreasing gap between the 50 EMA, Cyan, and the 200 EMA. If they undertake a bearish crossover, death cross, a major sell-off might be lurking around the corner. Rationale: the bearish RSI strive to find a close above the 43 to 45 resistance range. Into SHIB's burn rate jump over 6,700%. According to data from burning tracker ShibBurn, the amount of tokens burned over the last 24-hour period saw the meme-inspired cryptocurrency's burn rate jump 6,700%. A large share of the token burn came from a Shiba Inu-related service called @Shiba, which shared a transaction on the Ethereum blockchain showing they burned little over 400 million tokens. Similarly, another SHIB community-related project shared data showing that they burned a total of 300 million Shiba Inu tokens over the past few days. Token burns, it's worth noting, are made by sending SHIB to inaccessible addresses, effectively removing the tokens from circulation. According to available data, a total of 410.30 trillion SHIB have been burned since the cryptocurrency was launched. Initially, Shiba Inu has a total supply of 1 quadrillion tokens, but 50% of them were locked in a smart contract to provide liquidity on decentralized exchange on SHIB, while another half were sent to Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. Buterin took a large amount of SHIB, at the time $1 billion in the cryptocurrency, and donated it to the COVID Crypto Relief Fund in India, along with significant amounts of other meme-inspired cryptosats including Dog Elon Mars. The Ethereum co-founder then grabbed around 90% of the SHIB tokens that were donated to him and burned them in a transaction that removed over 410 trillion SHIB from circulation. The Shiba Inu community has since bolstered its efforts to burn SHIB. These include burn parties organized by bigger entertainment and companies using part of their profits to burn tokens. As CryptoGlobe reported, the team behind Shiba Inu recently announced the launch of a token burning portal that is set to help the cryptocurrency's community burn tokens in an effort to reduce its circulating supply. The burn portal is set to make it easier for the platform's users to regularly burn SHIB, effectively reducing its circulating supply. Token burns are popular in the cryptocurrency space, as with demand remaining steady or rising and supply being burned, a token's price tends to rise as it's effectively deflationary. So next news. SHIB price prediction. SHIB price to revisit January bottom support $0.00002. Under the descending trendline influence, the SHIB USDT pair has lost 38% from its last swing high of $0.0000352. On March 11th, the sellers poked another significant support of $0.00022, resuming the ongoing sell-off. However, the never-ending retest phase has spent 5 days trying to sustain below the breached support. If the coin price continues to waver below the $0.00002 mark, the supply pressure should eventually pick up and dump the altcoin to a $0.00002 psychological level. A follow-up breakdown should open the path to January low mark at $0.00017. Contrary to the bullish thesis, if buyers revert the altcoin above the share, in this video, we will raise the following question: will Shiba Inu return to all-time highs? Shiba Inu continues to trade well below all-time highs. As of February 13, the altcoin price is at $0.000029. At the same time, on October 28 last year, the asset traded at peak values of $0.000086, a decrease of 66%. The price will not return to its historical maximum for a long time. This is the phrase of one of the analytics experts. After the price collapsed by 80% to $0.000017, Shiba Inu recovered by 105% to $0.000035. The coin is interesting for investment. As a target, I suggest choosing the level of $0.000053, 50% of the fall from $0.000086 to $0.000017. With a favorable outcome, the price will reach the calculated level by the end of March of this year. Power reserve is approximately 70% with the current price model. The price will not return to the historical maximum for a long time. To begin with, buyers should gain a foothold above the $0.000040 level. Then they need to hold this level for 5 to 7 days, so that the price does not fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market, and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16th. Shiba Inu is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, Shiba Inu payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for Shiba Inu growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by 2022, Shiba Inu, SHIB, prices will reach a level similar to their previous record high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $0.00003148. If everything goes smoothly, we predict